Hi, my name is Muhammad, and today I will tell you and submit course for review on Udemy instructor for verification. Okay, I have already submitted my two videos for face verification and written script within the body of the email, but Udemy verification team or Udemy, as you see here, this email will again email me Udemy verification at udemy.com, emailed me that we are sorry to hear about the trouble with the statement or automated verification. We do have another alternate process to verify your account. Okay, to complete the alternate process, please submit a video claiming either ownership of the content or that you have obtained the necessary okay. As you see here, complete alternate and submit a video. That video, are you seeing my face verification? Are you seeing my clear face? And you are hearing my voice with clear in this video. And claiming ownership of the content. I am owner of the content. Okay, and these are the content or I have created my own mind, my own ideas, and there is everything is correct according to course criteria, and there is no copyright, and there is no duplicate or plagiarism. Okay, everything is cleared. And what you will ask about face and state of the following: your full legal name. My name is Muhammad. I have also will write onto the in the body of the email the name of the courses you are publishing. Okay, my course name is what? My course name is this: static website, Microsoft Office, and basic programming. Statement of the ownership or rights to use the content below: full legal name and certify. I am completely certified. This course, all contents my own, I have created. If there is something you will find any plagiarism, any copyright, okay, then Udemy verification instructor will anytime can terminate my course or my account according to laws, according to copyright laws. Okay, everything is cleared as you will see here. And I am original owner of the course used in my courses. If applicable, I have secured all the necessary rights to use the content owned by another individual. Okay, everything is perfect. Just now I am submit for review. As you see here, everything is here is also complete and perfect. Okay, course target your students as your requirement and curriculum. Okay, how many lectures here? Okay, with full content and video contents also. Okay, course landing page, here is also everything is complete. Pricing. Okay, this is my first full submit for review, so it's free. And course message, this is my welcome message for students, congratulations message. Just I am clicking here submit for review. Okay, as you see here, everything is complete. But here is also a message from Udemy. Okay, this is your message. Because you failed identity verification, your account will be removed. If you believe this was done in error, please complete the alternate verification method. Okay, now I will click here, submit for review. Okay, all of the details are cleared. I have completed all of these. Just click for submit review. Okay, and here you will asking same thing, full legal name, name of the course, statement. Submit for review. This is my Gmail account. Click here. Okay, this is Udemy verification email, and this is my own email. And here in the body of the email I am writing here a written script as you will ask. Okay, my name is Muhammad. Submit for review. I am writing here submit for review. Okay, this is the Muhammad, and here what you will ask. First, your full name, face verification, as are you seeing my face, everything is clear. Okay, here just first thing is what, face verification, and state of the following: your full legal name. My legal name is what, full. First thing here, what are you asking for? Full legal name. My full legal name is Muhammad. Okay, second thing is what, the name of the course you are publishing. Okay, the name of the course you are publishing. What is the course name that I am publishing? Static website, Microsoft Office, and basic programming. Full course name. Okay, course name. Okay, course name is what, or I am write this here, publishing course name. Which course I want to publishing course name, static website, Microsoft Office, and basic programming. Okay, these of the all the basic programming. Third one is what, state of the ownership or rights. These all the video lectures and all course contents, it's my own creation. Okay, I have consumed a lot of time to make these lectures for students, and all the contents my own ideas. Okay, there is no plagiarism, no duplication. If anything found there is plagiarism, duplication, rights, Udemy verification instructor system can terminate my account anytime according to laws or copyright laws and regulations. Okay, statement of the course. Okay, I am owner of all this course who's publishing in Udemy. And below full legal name again. Now I am writing it onto the letter typing, full legal name, certify, everything. Okay, that I have already created a letter with my signature that all of verify me and myself. To whom it may concern, it is certify that Muhammad son of Abdullah, my name is Muhammad, that I am the owner of all the content used in my web design course, and also I have secured all the necessary rights to use content. Okay, this is the also acknowledgement and verification letter for to write for submit or review. This time I will copy here and paste it, submit for review here. Okay, these are the, and just I blitz delete it. Okay, ignore, and here is my signature, submit for review. This I am already digital signature. This signature will match with my passport and my national ID card. Okay, that national ID card and passport that issued by government, also same signature, and paste here. Okay, this is my signature, all of the contents. This is the body script of the email as you are asking here. All of the details complete. Okay, now I am submitting same video for my voice and face verification, and finally just click send this email. Okay, click here for send. Hope Udemy verification team will accept my this email with a written body script, as I am second time submitted this video for submit for review, and successfully published my Udemy instructor course. I hope I can change the world. I will change the student's mind, and I will change and good luck students future. So I am publish this video lectures on Udemy, and submit for review as an instructor on Udemy. Many thanks Udemy verification team for submitted. Thanks.